What's up, artists? My name is Alili Faith. I am a wannabe portrait sketch artist and a photographer. So a huge thank you to all the people who viewed my video. Recently, it has 21,000 plus views. So thank you so much for viewing my video. And that video is a time lapse of this actual sketch that I made last March 2000. So this sketch, I posted it to my channel, and if you haven't seen this, you can click this link so that you can watch my time-lapse of this sketch. By the way, this picture is from Instagram. This lady is a L'Oreal model. So yeah, I'm new to sketch, so I'm self-taught and I'm just doing what I want to do, or instinct. So I'm not so good, but I hope you like it. And so I'm gonna thank the people who commented and compliment my video. I'm gonna give a shout out to them. So thank you Pahoya Banerjee, thank you Amitaba Day, thank you Sudeshri Mod, Gowendel Sign, Ponaman Raza, Janelle Andela Cruz, Drawing Techniques, Devanja Dali, Minal Pandey, my classmate Adonis, JJ Sanday, Binal Joshi, and Ralph Dorada. Thank you guys for your lovely comments. I really love it. 2 years ago, I wasn't able to draw or to sketch something like random faces because I was interested in photography. So I will gonna share my thoughts about photography here. To photography, it makes me so happy that I developed two talents that I didn't know from the first place. So I made a video of this portrait because it's my comeback after 2 years if I still know to sketch, and yeah, it went well. The result is good and I'm happy, and some of my friends in the Facebook I posted it, they love it. And by the way, this picture is from the Instagram. It's from Irene Rudnick. She is a photographer that I really like. So, good news that one of my clients messaged me directly when I posted the video of this time lapse in my FB, and she told me about getting to sketch with their family, and soon I'm gonna post it here. So Ikra Khan and so Shadow. I'm gonna give a shout out to my Facebook friends. Two of them is my high school classmates, Adonis and Aileen. They're also a blogger. I'm gonna put the link below. You can check their blog, okay? To my friend Kyle Lauren Pinglagaw, to my aunt Marilu, to one of my clients, Mom Joy Kanyas, Mom Guada, Master Kit Olopreo, Mom Rose Ledema. So yeah, thank you. And to the Julie Rose, my friend, thank you for messaging me. Thank you for believing in my talent. So I hope I could make you happy doing my passion, and this sketches is just a start. So much for supporting me, for taking a moment to see my time lapse. So I hope you love it, and I hope I make you happy by doing this time lapse. And like and share my thoughts about arts and photography. So like and share my video and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button below to notify you my updates of my new videos. So thank you guys, and from now I'm gonna give shout out to whoever gonna be commenting my videos. So I'm excited to make lots of videos. So thank you guys, thank you.